If you want to get started with synthio and CircuitPython, here's a little 3-voice, 2-knob drone synth you can use. It's got 2 buttons to let you control some of the parameters. The 2 knobs control the pitch of the main oscillators. And it's a drone synth, so it always makes noises. That button releases it. You can hear the echo effect. This is new. I've got it specially compiled so it'll work on the Pico, but normally you would use the Pico 2 for such stuff. And this other button here controls a vibrato on one of the oscillators. And now we're back in ominous 80s dystopia territory.